Personal function of art isn't just something pretty to look at. It's also a way for us to feel better, understand ourselves, and connect with others. It lets us show our feelings, explore who we are, and find things we love. Art can take us to new places in our minds and give us ideas. It helps us be creative and do things we never thought we could. Also, it's all about self discovery. It can help us to explore our own identities and values by creating or engaging with art. We can learn more about what we believe, what we feel, and what we want in life. Remember, the personal function of art is unique to each individual. What one person finds meaningful and inspiring, another may not. That's the beauty of art. It's subjective and open to interpretation. Physical function of art isn't just about what it makes you feel. It's also about how it looks and feels. Art can make a room look prettier or it can be something you use, like a chair or a bowl. Sometimes art is even built into buildings or things we use every day. Art can also be about how things feel, like the smooth surface of a sculpture or the sound of music. Art isn't just for looking at, it's also something we can touch, use, and experience with our bodies. Physical function is designed to be useful but at the same time pleasing to the eye. Social function of art isn't just about pretty features or cool sounds. It's a way for people to connect, share ideas, and understand each other better. Art can make us think about important things like our feelings, our society, and the whole world around us. It can also help us celebrate our culture and history and bring people together through shared experience. It means that the social function of art is about how we connect to a simple arts. For example, nanonood tayo ng mga Get Ready With Me, mga nag-vlog about and nagmumukbang. In that way, nakaka-connect tayo kaya pinapanood natin sila is because we are related to that. And yun yung gusto natin na para ma-relax tayo. Like, panonood ng mga nagsasayaw,